So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. Now she has hair just around her shoulders. Wow. Now this haircut is right on trend with all the styles that we are seeing this season. What a gorgeous pixie bob haircut. It does have a nice voluminous asymmetrical shape to it. Beautifully done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we will be taking a look at some hair transformations. Next up, it looks like we have a pixie bob haircut once again in the works. Ooh, very nice. She's got some beautiful color mixed in. Hair is of course longer in the front, shorter in the back, really playing into that pixie bob hair trend. Next up, we move into another hair transformation. So it looks like they are in for a cut refresh. Another gorgeous pixie bob style. Hers has a nice wavy natural texture to it. Very nice. And then the stylist did end up doing a blowout and she is wearing the style straight. I like how the bangs swoop over her eyes. Such a cute and polished hairstyle. Next up, we see someone with mid-length dark hair. And the stylist cuts the hair into a sleek, blunt bob style. So here we move into the next transformation. She enters to the salon with mid-back length hair, a bit of a contrasting money piece highlight going there in the front, peekaboo color going there in the back. Stylist chops off that ponytail. Oh, wow. Beautiful Cleopatra style bob. I love the way that this looks with the color that she has. And then she paired that beautifully with a red lip. This is probably my favorite transformation so far in today's video. Such a cute style. Next up, we see someone with gorgeous curly natural hair. Stylist mixes in some color. Such a beautiful hair shade. I love the dimension that it just kind of brought out with her curls. Very pretty. A nice refreshing look, especially for the summer season. Next up, we have someone who has a bob style. Ooh, looks like she went much shorter with this pixie. She's got a gorgeous color mixed in here. Beautiful feathered bangs to frame out the face. Very nice. Alright you guys, so I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.